In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to open a Google Meet and navigate to the visual effects controls using the built-in menu, so you can fine-tune how you look before or during a call. Start by opening Google Meet. If you have a meeting link, click it to launch your meeting in your browser. If you're already signed in, Meet will load your camera preview right away. Make sure your browser has permission to use your microphone and camera, and glance at the preview to confirm you're framed well and your internet connection looks stable. Once you're in the meeting window, look for the More Options menu. It's represented by 3 vertical dots, typically along the bottom toolbar. Click those 3 dots to open the full set of in-call tools. This menu is where Google Meet keeps extra controls that don't fit on the main bar, so it's the quickest path to appearance and background settings. From the menu that appears, choose the item that's highlighted on your screen. In most layouts, that option opens the effects and appearance panel we need. Click it, and a side panel or dialog will appear on the right side of your meeting. Now select Visual Effects. This section gathers background blur, background images, lighting adjustments, and similar tools. It's designed to help you keep focus on you, reduce distractions behind you, or add a bit of polish to your video. If your device is older, give it a moment. Some effects can take a second to load the first time. With the Visual Effects panel open, click the highlighted choice to apply it. You'll see a live preview immediately. If you're blurring the background, try the standard blur first before switching to a heavier blur, which uses more processing power. If you're selecting a background image, pick one with gentle contrast so you remain the focal point. You can always click again to toggle an option off or switch to a different effect. A few quick tips as you finalize your look. Good front lighting makes every effect work better, so face a window or a soft lamp if you can. Close any heavy apps to keep your video smooth. And if your connection dips, consider a lighter effect to reduce strain. That's it. You opened Google Meet, used the 3-dot menu, went into Visual Effects, and applied the highlighted option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with a cleaner, more professional on-screen presence.